I found this great little gadget from Gizmo Guy. It allows me to use my new phone to connect to my old car radio so that I can play my music, my podcasts, my audiobooks, make hands-free phone calls, and get my GPS directions all through my old car radio. Let me show you how it works. Take the dongle that comes with your phone, connect it to the gadget. Connect that to your phone. And turn on your car radio. Make sure it's set at 87.9. You can hear the static. Turn on the little gadget. Wait for the static to go away. And then put on your podcast.
Introducing to you the Vibrational Success series of transformational products.
If you want some music, play a song. Again, beautifully clear. Now, hey Siri, call Barbary Coast.
Calling Barbary Coast. Home.
Again, very clear.
Thank you for calling Barbary Coast Dispensary located at 952 Mission Street.
All right.
Between
Sounds like they're not home.
San Francisco.
They're not open. GPS function. Hey Siri, take me to the Golden Gate Bridge.
Getting directions to Golden Gate Bridge. Starting route to Golden Gate Bridge. Head southeast on El Camino del Mar.
There we go. So, with this little gadget, you can use all of those functions. You can play your music, your audiobooks, your podcasts. This is a great gadget that I found. I highly recommend it. Thank you, Gizmo Guy.